Hey guys, welcome to my channel. A lot of you have asked me to create more tried methods, and in this video I'm going to try a method that claims you can make money listening to music. It claims that by listening to one song you can make $5, and if you listen to 2 songs you can make almost $10. And after listening to 10 songs you can get just $50. So follow me in this video and see if it's possible to make this amount of money so that you can also try it and make money yourself. So the first step this method claims is to go to a website pixabay.com and download loyalty-free music. And also it claims that we're not just going to download music from pixabay.com and just listen to music and make money. He claims that he's going to use a trick that will actually make it possible to earn money. And it's just showing some proof that people are making money on, for example, like $11, $37, $5. And also it claimed that some of the people were making like $25 a day. So what she says is that you go and try some of the pop music and you download the ones you like. So what I'm going to do is just go and just download some of the pop musics from this website and be ready to go to the next stage. So now after you go to this website, you go to the music section. And here what I do, I go to this section Upbeat. So in this section, as you can see, there are different like categories or different genres here, and I go and choose pop. So here I can see a list of pop music here. So I'm going to download this one. I think it sounds good. So after I downloaded some of the music that I liked, so the next step is to go to a website which is called up-forever.com. So it's claiming the video the way you are paid money is that when you upload your music and other people come to this website and download your music, they're going just to see an ad shown to them when they are downloading. They can actually watch the ad or they can skip the ad. For either way, you're going to get a share of the money from the ad that is shown to the people. If you liked the video so far, please go ahead and like this video and support my channel by subscribing, and leave me in the comments your ideas or your questions and I would be happy to answer them. And I also want you to tell me which methods you want me to try and make a video about. Okay, now I am in the website here and there is a section at the top, payment proof, and I clicked payment proof here, and as you can see, and it shows that there has been 64,000 times payments to people from this website, and also the amount being paid is around $346,000. I think this is a really big number, and it shows also the recent days that the people are getting paid like $1, $2, $3, and different actually payments here. So I'm just going to actually go here and start registering and see if it's really true or not. So at the top area there is a sign up button here, so I just go and click sign up, and here I just put my information. Alright, now I'm in my dashboard area, and as you can see there are different sections here like upload files, account balance, and use the space and other stuff here. Alright, now I think the next step is that we go to this section which says upload files. So I just go to this section, and here we are going just to upload the music that we downloaded from Pixabay, the pop music that we liked. Actually uploading several music now here and just giving names. The video says that after you upload the music, you try to price them. So what I do here, I go to my dashboard area, and in the dashboard area I just go to this section about my account which is at the top next to upload files. I just click it and just go to my files. Here I can see the music that I have uploaded here, and what I do is that I just go to this section there under the actions, and I click on this pencil, submit. So the price now $4. Alright, now I have actually priced all of this music and they are all set to public, and I'm just going to wait for a few days and see if anyone is actually downloading this music and paying that amount of money. So watch until the end of the video to see if I was able to make money. Alright, it's been several days and now I'm just going to go and check to see if I've been able to make money. I go to the dashboard area, my account, and see my files. I go to my files here, and I can see that my files has been here and no downloads. but today it's just the 6th of August. So it's been actually 10 days that I have created this list here with this pop music, and no download has been done here, and there is no download. So it shows that this method is not actually really working. And what the person said in the beginning is not really true with having music here and people downloading this. But there is actually a website which is called soundcampaign.com. And if you see this, the website has a great review on Trustpilot. It has a good score here, 4.2. And there are lots of people giving 5 star. And the website is actually, if you go, it says that get paid to listen to music. So if you want me to make a video about trying this method that looks legit to me now, you can actually type in the comments below, go and test it. And I will actually test this website and see if I can make money with that. So go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you all for your support and helping me and giving me ideas. And I see you in the next video.